Hello everyone, good morning student. Myself Anjali. Welcome to our next video. Page number 40. Take out page number 40. Let's read. My grandmother has many wrinkles on her face. मेरे ग्रैंडमदर के चेहरे पर बहुत सी झुर्रियाँ हैं. Shall I tell you a secret? मैं मेरा रहस्यमय बात तुम्हें बताऊँ? Reading next question. Reading is a fun. Why is a smile a funny thing? Smile एक funny thing क्यों है? Answer is a smile is a funny thing because it wrinkles up your face. Question number 2. What happens when you smile at someone? क्या होता है जब हम स्माइल करते हैं किसी से तो? Answer. When I smile at someone, the other person also smiles at me. Next, let's listen to a joke. यहाँ पर एक जोक है. I asked my mother for 20 rupees to see the lion jump the tree. He jumped so high he touched the moon and never come back till the end of June. मैंने मम्मी से 20 रुपीज़ मैंने शेर को ट्री से कूदते हुए देखने के लिए लिए. उसने ज़ोर से छलांग लगाकर मून तक टच किया और वो जून एंड तक वापस नहीं आया. नेक्स्ट, कैन यू टेल अ जोक एंड मेक एवरीवन लाफ? से इट फर्स्ट इन योर लैंग्वेज एंड देन इन इंग्लिश. आपको आपके लैंग्वेज से जोक को इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में बोलना है. Say aloud. First word, trunk, sunk, junk. Sink, think, pink. Wrinkle, wriggle, right. Worry, work, wonderful. When we read W in column 3, it has no sound. Look at the word talk here. L is silent. Now say the silent letter in the following words aloud. यहाँ जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं उसमें साइलेंट लेटर्स देखना है. फर्स्ट वॉक, L is a silent letter. More, E is a silent letter. Rap, W is a silent letter. Joke, E is a silent letter. All the following words have an I sound that rhymes with my. Can you fill in the letter and then say the words aloud? यहाँ पर आपको I fill up करके words complete करना है. First, SMILE smile, KITE kite, MICE mice, LINE line. Next, riddle time. Which is the longest word in the world? Smile word is in the longest word because there is a mile between the two SS. Take out page number 42. Let's write. Play this game with your partner. Close your eyes. Move your finger over the page while you sing tick tock toe. Round I go. If I miss, I will take this. When you finish reciting the poem, stop moving your finger. Open your eyes. See which letter you stop. Use the clue to write the word beginning with the letter that you find. This is the game activity, so you can play this game with your partner. Next, page number 43. Team time. Form a clay club in a groups. Give your club a name. Take a wet slab of clay. Use a matchstick to write the name of your club and all the club members on it. Let the slabs dry. Display your slabs in the classroom. Try making different things with clay like bird, sun, flower. This is the art activity. So, student, you can try making things with clay like bird, sun, flower, etc. You have to make a smiley and a sad face with using clay. Fun time. Have fun with clay. Take a clay ball, use a rolling pin and roll the clay out flat. Make a clay pancake round like a roti or idli. With the help of a matchstick, draw a circle or use a bowl to cut a circle out of the rolled clay. Use the extra clay to make eyes, nose, ears and smiley or a sad face. Also try making hair. यहाँ पर आपको क्ले से स्माइली फेस और सैड फेस बनाना है. What else can you do? Make the face colorful. और इस यहाँ पर फेस को भी कलर करना है. Next page 44. If you are happy and you know it, sing with action. Remember to keep smiling. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. Repeat the rhyme with the following action also. If you are happy and you know it, nod your head. If you are happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you are happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you are happy and you know it, do all four. Clap, clap, nod, nod, stamp, stamp. Now we will sing again with rhythm.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap, clap, nod, nod, stamp, stamp.
You have to practice in cursive writing. Let's practice for improving your handwriting. Now, we all know this lecture is over. So, you have to recite this poem. Goodbye, student. Take care.